What exactly is a television showrunner, and what do they do for a project?
Okay, sure. So a showrunner runs the writer's room, more or less. All right. So this is the person that's going to basically oversee all aspects of the show. So in film, the director is the top dog. If the director is, that's the vision. In that's who controls the vision, in a lot of ways, and controls the set. In television, it's the showrunner. So the showrunner is going to sort of set the course for where the season goes and break story with the writers in the writer's room. This is why for every writer that's trying to break into TV that thinks that they're going to automatically be a showrunner, the reason why you're not going to be more often than not is because it's not easy to run a room. And if you don't have experience, usually the person that's running the room has been a number two in the room before, probably multiple times, and is going to be able to understand what needs to get done to get this thing through 10, 12 episodes if it's streaming or cable or whatever, and 22 to 24 episodes if it's network. So they're not going to, the network or the streamer or the people that are in charge of the money are not going to trust somebody that's never done that before. Now, that's not to say that if you create something that goes to series and they attach a showrunner to it, or you attach a showrunner yourself, that you're not going to be the 1A in that writer's room, because at the end of the day, you created this thing. If you want to be in the writer's room, you created this thing, you had the vision, and it's not unheard of for a creator to be the 1A in a room, or the 1B or the 2 in a room, and after one season have the showrunner leave, and then the creator becomes the showrunner because they got to see how the show runs for a year and to learn and to be a sponge. That's happened, and it's not completely uncommon. But ultimately, at the end of the day, it's like if you were a first-time director, a studio is not going to hand you the new Star Wars movie to direct if you've never done it before, or their $200 million blockbuster. You have to prove that you can do anything first, before they're going to hand that over to you. So that's pretty much the way it goes, and that's what a showrunner does.